Hepatitis A. It belongs to family Picornavirus, genus Hepatovirus. It is also known as Enterovirus 72. General characteristics. So this virus is non-enveloped. It is single-stranded RNA virus and mostly it replicates in cytoplasm. Hepatitis A genome. So it has 4 genotypes and the most common genotype is 3A. Let's talk about cultivation. Hepatitis A virus, which is only cultivable virus, which is easily grown on diploid cell lines. Transmission of hepatitis A. Fecal-oral route, person to person, and fomites. Infection is very common in developing countries. Let's talk about how this infection spread in human body. Hepatitis A multiplies in intestinal epithelium, then it reaches liver by hematogenous route. Symptoms like viremia, fecal shedding and infectivity can be only seen in pre-ecteric jaundice. Antibodies. So there are two antibodies, IgM and IgG antibodies. IgM antibodies, which appears in acute phase when patient has jaundice. It lasts for 3 to 6 months. And IgG antibodies, which appears during convalescence and it persists lifelong. It provides protective immunity. Disease course. Generally, patient develop mild hepatitis, which resolves in 1 to 2 weeks. There is no chronic complication. Fulminant hepatitis is rare, which is seen in less than 0.1% of patients. Chances of fulminant hepatitis is more in hepatitis B and hepatitis C infection. So let's talk about resistance and inactivation of hepatitis A virus. It can resist in heat at 60 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Boiling for 1 minute can inactivate the virus. It is resistant to acid pH up to 3. UV rays can inactivate the virus. Ether and chloroform are resistant to hepatitis A virus. Also, autoclaving can inactivate the virus. Diagnosis. IgM antibodies in patient serum, which is detected by ELISA. Treatment. Supportive therapy can be given in hepatitis A virus. Vaccine. Formalin inactivated viral vaccine can be given, which is marketed as Havrix. Children after 1 year of age can be given 2 doses 6 months apart. Protection starts after 4 weeks of completion of vaccination. Immunity stays for at least 20 years. Moving on, post-exposure prophylaxis. All non-vaccinated contacts like household and sexual contacts, they should receive immunoglobulins. They are effective in preventing disease as late as 2 weeks after exposure.